Samsung's Galaxy Book2 is one of the few laptops that offer both portability and versatility. Coming with its sleek and modern design, impressive display, and powerful 12th generation Intel Core i5 processor, this laptop is perfect for both work and entertainment on the go. This video covers a detailed review of the device, bringing all there is to know. Let's begin.
Kinda grows on you. This way, guys. Come on. Ow!
Samsung Galaxy Book2. The Samsung Galaxy Book2 is an incredibly versatile device that offers consumers a great range of features and capabilities. Featuring a 12-inch Super AMOLED display, it is capable of providing users with a high-definition viewing experience that is perfect for streaming movies and playing games. The devices are powered by Intel's latest processors and at least 8 GB of RAM, which allows them to easily handle the most demanding tasks. Galaxy Book comes with a 256 GB SSD for storage, so you can store plenty of documents and files. The battery life of the Samsung Galaxy Book2 is nothing to sneeze at either, with up to 10 hours of battery life on a single charge. We'll tell you more, specifically on the battery life of the Galaxy Book2 shortly. This means you can take it with you wherever you go and still have enough power to get through the day. Furthermore, it comes with a detachable keyboard and S Pen, so you can stay productive no matter where you are. All in all, the Samsung Galaxy Book is an excellent device for both work and entertainment.
Very easy. Very easy. Just walk up.
Design and display. The Samsung Galaxy Book2 is a sleek, light machine with a smart and modern design. The wedge-shaped design adds to its aesthetic appeal by showcasing a simple design consisting of only the Samsung logo on the lid. Although the laptop is made out of plastic, the build quality could have been better as noticeable flexing was observed on the keyboard deck and lid. As for ports, the Galaxy Book2 is well equipped with USB Type-C, 2 Type-A ports, and an HDMI port. The laptop also features a spacious and comfortable keyboard with well-separated keys providing great feedback upon pressing. The trackpad is also large and reliable, providing accurate and responsive tracking that supports all Windows 11 gestures. The Galaxy Book2 is fitted with a 15.6-inch FHD IPS LCD display. The panel quality is great with vivid colors, sharpness, and detail. The brightness level and viewing angles are also satisfactory. We do several thorough reviews of the latest devices and gadgets which you can watch by checking our channel. Consider subscribing for more device review videos.
Okay, that's enough of that!
Performance. The Galaxy Book2 is the ideal device for carrying out routine tasks such as browsing the web, organizing content, working with spreadsheets, and participating in video conferences. The production of content, such as editing images and videos, is not one of its strong suits, and neither is gaming. However, it can still handle heavy-duty tasks and has enough performance. It is important to note that the laptop performs at its peak level when plugged into an AC power supply. In situations that call for a lot of power or are graphics intensive, the laptop's performance will suffer when the battery powers it. However, this is a fairly typical problem for laptops in general.
Hey, guess what?
Audio. Regarding the audio, 2 stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos bass firing are included in the package. They have a decent sound that is also well equalized, but the volume is not very high, so they cannot be used in environments with a lot of background noise. 2 microphones that face forward are available for use as input devices. They are of high quality and come with software-based effects that allow for a more personalized viewing experience, which is particularly useful for video conferencing. Selecting a laptop with a good sound card is important for the best audio quality on a laptop. Onboard sound cards generally don't provide great audio quality, so selecting a laptop with a dedicated sound card is best. Additionally, if the laptop has speakers, be sure to check the wattage, as this will affect sound quality and volume. If possible, opt for a laptop with an amplifier to improve the sound quality. Lastly, check the laptop's audio connections to ensure it is compatible with your audio devices. This will ensure that all audio is transmitted correctly for optimal sound quality.
Completely understand.
Practicality. It is unusual to find a laptop that is both thin and light and has a display measuring 15.6 inches, given that the majority of other models opt for displays measuring 13 inches. This additional screen space is beneficial in multitasking, as it enables the user to open multiple windows simultaneously, which is a time-saving feature. The display is supplemented by a full-size keyboard that also includes a number pad, which improves not only the comfort of typing, but also the overall productivity of the device.
He's making the hotel more human-y for Dennis.
Battery power and life. The battery on the Samsung Galaxy Book2 has a capacity of 68 watt-hours, and it can be rapidly recharged using the 65 watt-hour USB-C charger that is included in the package. According to the manufacturer, this battery is capable of 21 hours of video playback, but in actual use, it only lasts about 7 to 8 hours, even when the screen brightness is at its maximum and there are multiple programs open. Because the 65 watts charger supports fast charging via USB-C power delivery, replenishing the power is also quite simple. You can get the Book2 Pro from 0% to 100% in roughly 1 hour and 20 minutes.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
Memory and storage. Memory and storage on the Book2 are very impressive thanks to the use of the most recent LDDR5 RAM and NVMe SSDs manufactured by Samsung respectively. The results of the benchmarking show that the SSD had a sequential read speed of 982 megabytes per second, and the score for the RAM was also 982 megabytes per second, making this product an excellent option for individuals who need to keep multiple files open for activities such as video editing. In addition, the laptop is future-proofed for the most recent standard for Wi-Fi, which is Wi-Fi 6E, and it also supports 5G in certain regions, which can be helpful for people who live in places where Wi-Fi coverage is spotty. With all we've learned so far, should you go in for the Galaxy Book2? Find out in our final verdict just before we conclude the video.
Well, that's more like it.
The downsides. The Galaxy Book2 is unique among Ultrabooks in that it provides users with a full-sized keyboard set that also includes a numeric keypad. The travel distance of the keys is adequate, and there is backlighting on the keys, making them ideal for use during late-night study sessions. When compared to other keyboards, the one on the Galaxy Book2 had the least tactile feedback. In comparison to other models, the keys had a mushier feel to them. However, there are some issues with the sound on the laptop. The downward-firing dual AKG tuned speakers that support Dolby Atmos sound terrible, with a tinny and distorted sound quality. These speakers are designed to work with Dolby Atmos. When placed on a couch or a lap, the sound from the speakers is also muffled. It's possible that Samsung will change its mind about this at some point in the future.
Oh, so sad, so sad.
The final verdict. The Samsung Galaxy Book2 is a laptop that is both thin and lightweight, and it features a screen that is 15.6 inches in size. The device is capable of performance, and it is both user-friendly and efficient, despite the fact that it does not have any modern features. Nevertheless, there are other laptops in the same category that have a greater variety of features and stellar performance. Notable among these alternatives is the MacBook with M2 chip. But Samsung has also recently launched the Galaxy Book3 Ultra as a direct threat to the reign of this MacBook. You must be wondering how it keeps up, especially since Apple makes the M2 chip themselves and have a lot of leeway for optimization. Well, all that information is available in our Galaxy Book3 Ultra review, which is already up on the channel. You'd have to watch and tell us what you think. Thank you for spending time with us again. We hope to see you in another video.